It wouldn't be me if I wasn't wearing Crocs while working and watching some sort of YouTuber, Speed Academy today. Real quick video, just hopefully so that if anyone else has this issue, maybe it could help them. So, I've been having a random cylinder 4 misfire. Actually, it was 3 and 4 when I first got it, and then since I've gotten it, I've done spark plugs, elder coils, and NX12 injectors. The NX12 injectors fixed the cylinder 3 misfire, but sometimes, most of the time, I'd still get the cylinder 4. Now, I've always thought that for some weird reason, this was the culprit. And this is the MSD81 upgrade that this card came with. And I just, something in me said that it didn't feel right? So I've been trying to chase down this damn misfire for fucking forever, and couldn't get it. So I did get a replacement DME, which I've got in here. This is where you find a good old DME, and in here. So this is the replacement. Along with that, I did also replace the CAS, so that CAS and key. So I've replaced these three. So I've got new DME, the replacement CAS, and a replacement key. And now, although I do gotta figure out what the hell all of this means, but hold on. All right. So I have to turn off Bluetooth so that when I connect to this, it doesn't fucking stop recording my voice again. So if I pull up, my bad. I did that before. Anyways, so I wish I had a nice English scanner, and I know that I can translate stupid INPA, but I don't feel like doing all that. So there's INPA. We'll go into E60, engine, MSD 80 and 81 are the same. And then we'll go to error. And here's the kicker though. The kicker is that it doesn't work. E60, engine, MSD, error. All right, so I've got all of these that I didn't have before. I did have this one here. This is the catalytic converter, the sensor, the downstream, I believe, number 2 sensor, and that's it. So all of these timeouts, and whatever this can is, the car runs a whole lot better. But I no longer have the misfire, and you can see the car runs beautifully. So yeah, I told many people, even some local shops, hey, I think my DME needs some work. And a lot of people told me that it's very unlikely, because they just say that it's not likely a DME issue. And I'm here to confirm that, yes, it can be a DME issue. So if you're like me and you've replaced all spark plugs, all coil packs, all injectors, and you're still having a misfire, check your DME. It could be the MOSFETs, although on the 81, they're not supposed to go out as easily or even as often. They're still not prone to failure. Nothing is perfect in life. MSD81 is an upgrade, and it is better than MSD80, but nothing is guaranteed in life. So check out your DME, even if you got an 81 like me, because it really could be that simple. I mean, not simple. Their DMEs, CAS, and keys are expensive as fuck. So shout out to my guy who hooked me up with it for free, because that was an expense I did not want to make. I was really looking at like replacement DMEs and everything. So shout out to him. Another quick little thing that I'm gonna work on right now, since this video is, you know, only 6 minutes long. When I was at the shop, I was parking one day and I backed into the wall. Luckily, the tips protrude out further than the car, so the tips got the damage and my car didn't. But I've got here an extender that will hopefully it says it goes up to 3.5 inches, so we'll see. Well, that was a bust, so never mind on that. I'm just gonna get some new tips. I don't like them black anyway. I'm gonna do something shiny because, you know, shiny wheels, shiny car. I still need to get tint, but I'm gonna do a 55% ceramic, 70% ceramic windshield. But yeah, I guess I'll put this together since you guys didn't see me take it apart. And for the sake of content, since I probably cut out most of that nonsense of my tailpipe extender that didn't work, because I don't know what I'm doing. This is how you lock it and unlock it, by the way, back here. See that? It's locked. Don't forget to lock your DME. And of course, I don't know what I'm doing. Do I ever? Nope. True. This thing back in. And then today, later on, when traffic dies down, I'm gonna go take this on a little test drive, see how it's holding up, see if I gotta do any of swapping back out of the DME. And another thing that I need to do is tidy up the CAS. And no, I'm not going to put the bolt back in there, because if I need to remove this again and again and again and again and again, I don't want to keep doing this 150 billion times, because the bolt that bolts it to is a huge pain in the ass to get back into. Like, the bolt would not line up for shit. I was like, there's no way that this came out of the same damn hole. But also, you have to use a 10mm wrench because there's no space back here for a socket. So, you know. And where is that final screw? Oh, under my tripod. And that one goes over here. And this little side piece, I just kind of see the little tabs that slide in. So you just line up the tabs in their respective holes. Slide it in. It's as simple as that. I saw a video where some dude fucking pried this thing out and did all this nonsense, but it's that simple, guys. So, if you made it this far in the video, I don't know how long this video is going to be. I do appreciate you, and stay tuned for this weekend. We are back to some Z content on Lorenzo's car, just maintenance things, but you know, gotta add some more diversity back into the channel. So see you guys this weekend.
When we slide, we stay tapping on doors. Ride on triple chrome, glide on them Vogues. Flip on a nigga around, baby, you in a row. Playing with these drums, cause I got them sticks. Trunk bumping in the street, screwed up with my clip. Let them see how out they going up the blicks. Pray to God right before I hit a lick. Side with 240s when I cuss, I chop a kick. I'm an alpha, but these niggas bugging, nothing looks some tick. Claim you my dog, but you acting like a bitch. 3-piece wheels got me feeling like a Mitch. I don't drive auto like my Glock, I gotta switch. When we slide, we